Okay, start over. You guys ready? You guys ready?
Yeah, right.
Yeah.
All right, that's Ruben Jr. That's Damon Alonso, and I'm the Mad Master Ruben. We all want to say Happy Father's Day from us to you
Damon messed
guys.
up.
Damon messed up. It's all right. You guys heard us. Now, we got this snake head already getting ready to go, and we're going to go in there, prep these steaks, bring them back out here, and we're going to grill these steaks together. It's Father's Day. We need to do something together. This is what we're doing. Prime ribeyes from Sepulveda Meats and Provisions. It ain't going to get better than that. All right, so our steaks equally are around 60 degrees right now, and we're gonna pull these off to sear at 100 degrees. So 80 once again is our target temp to go ahead and flip them over for even cooking time, even cooking degree on each side. So there we go. We got Damien's, mine's, and Ruben Jr.'s, and we're in indirect. We got 2 chunks of, you guys remember what that is?
Wood.
Red oak.
Red oak.
Red oak. Now I doubt this even makes it to the second chunk, so oh well. But we're ready to go, guys. You guys spy with your little eyes what that is right there? All right, this is just a sneak peek. This is something I can't wait to test drive, and I'll be doing that very soon. This has a door for your pizzas, and the door is lined with a gasket already, so that when it's closed, this thing seals up freaking tight. I like that. This also has a 9-inch lift from where it seats on your kettle to right about here, about 9 inches. Now on a 26 kettle, that is awesome. This also comes with a bracket and the notches already, and a cover that goes over this if you're not going to use it, so that you can install your very own rotisserie and spit. So you're getting 3 things in one with this guy right here. Actually, this is called 3-in-1. And stainless steel. I think this is going to be the next biggest thing for the 26 Weber kettle, which you can't find any accessories like this out there on the market anymore. So this right here, man, just wait.